Understanding AI-generated recipes, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines technology and culinary arts. AI-generated recipes. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a cooking aficionado, or just curious about the latest trends, this video is for you. We'll explore what AI-generated recipes are, how they work, and why they're becoming increasingly popular. So, let's get started. First things first, let's break down the term AI-generated. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which refers to computer systems or machines designed to mimic human intelligence. When we say something is AI-generated, it means it's created by these intelligent computer systems, not directly by humans. In the context of recipes, AI-generated recipes are those concocted by AI, based on a vast database of culinary knowledge, flavor pairings, and nutritional information. You might wonder, how does an AI come up with a recipe? Well, it's quite fascinating. AI systems use algorithms to analyze data from various sources, including thousands of existing recipes, food chemistry, and user preferences. They identify patterns and combinations that work well together, sometimes coming up with entirely new creations that haven't been thought of before. This process involves machine learning, where the AI learns from each interaction, constantly improving and refining the recipes it generates. Now, let's talk about why AI-generated recipes are so exciting. They offer several benefits, including innovation. AI can create unique and novel recipes, combining ingredients and flavors in ways that humans might not consider. Personalization. Recipes can be tailored to individual dietary needs, preferences, and restrictions, making it easier for everyone to enjoy delicious meals that suit them perfectly. Efficiency. AI can quickly generate recipes based on what ingredients you have at home, reducing food waste and saving you a trip to the store. While AI-generated recipes are promising, there are challenges and considerations. For instance, the accuracy of these recipes can vary, and the cultural authenticity of dishes might not always be preserved. Additionally, there's the question of personal touch and creativity in cooking, which AI cannot fully replicate. It's important to approach these recipes with an open mind and a bit of culinary curiosity. We hope this video has shed some light on the intriguing world of AI-generated recipes. It's a testament to how technology can inspire creativity and innovation, even in the kitchen. As AI continues to evolve, who knows what delicious possibilities lie ahead? Thank you for watching. And if you've enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.